This 2021 Jayco J Feather X19H front and rear bed ends, sofa, bed and dinette is an expandable trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 20 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, external shower, skylight, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this expandable trailer features mid kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco J Feather X19H front and rear bed ends, sofa, bed and dinette is 4,016 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.